Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. One common condition I treat in my office is going to be elbow pain. So the elbow pain could be what we call tennis elbow, where the muscles in the back of your forearm get tight and it pulls on the tendon where it attaches in your elbow, and that causes the pain. Or it could be what we call golfer's elbow, where the muscles on your forearm get tight, where the muscle tendon attaches to the elbow, it causes elbow pain on the inside. Now, with either of these conditions, what will happen is the muscles will get tight from repetitive stress, such as playing tennis or working on a computer, and then that causes pressure on the tendon, which causes the irritation, which leads to the tendonitis in your elbow. So with either of these conditions, what we like to have patients do at home is to massage out the muscles in your forearm. And there is a product that we recommend to all our patients, and it's called Rolflex. So the Rolflex is a massage device that you can use to help massage the muscles in your forearm and take the pressure off the tendon. It's a great product if you're dealing with any kind of elbow pain, and it can also help to prevent the elbow pain from coming back. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the Rolflex at home to relieve your elbow pain. Now, to use the Rolflex for tennis elbow, what we're going to do is, if we're treating the right side, she's going to put the Rolflex on her right thigh. And what she's going to do is she's going to put her forearm in between the Rolflex device, and she's going to lightly clamp down on the top portion of the Rolflex. And now, using a seesaw motion, she's going to put her forearm through this area. And the yellow part of the Rolflex is what's doing the treatment. So that's compressing into those forearm muscles and massaging them. Now, what I want her to do, if she finds any tender spots, I want her to concentrate the stretch right there, and then she can work on to the next section, just going through the whole forearm and feeling where the problem area is. I also don't want you to use it right on the tendon itself or right on the bony structure of the elbow. Come off about an inch from that area and then work that whole section in the belly of the muscle. And what that's going to do, it's going to loosen up the muscle here and take the pressure off the tendon and help relieve your elbow pain. And again, what I want you to do, do this for a minute or two, and then do this a couple times a day. Again, you don't want to go too hard on the compression. Now, if you're dealing with a lot of elbow pain, provide a lighter pressure at the clamp up top, and as it feels more comfortable, you can work it with more tension. Now, to use the Rolflex for golfer's elbow, which is the forearm muscles in the front, what I'm going to have her do is she's going to flip the Rolflex around, and now she's going to stick her forearm through that same Rolflex, and now the yellow part is going to be treating the muscles on the inside, which is going to relieve the pressure on the elbow on the inside there. Same principle, go back and forth in that seesaw motion, find any tender spots, work that back and forth 10 to 20 times, then move on to the next section. And again, I don't want to be right on the elbow bone or the first inch of tendon right there. Kind of come down about an inch from that area and then work that whole forearm. And again, around the wrist, you don't want to go right on the wrist bone, so maybe an inch or two above the wrist. But this area in the forearm is a really great area to work to release the pressure on the tendon.